With the best-in-class production levels and ease of operation, the Terex Finlay 694 is the industry-leading tracked mobile screen. The triple-deck 6.1 by 1.5 metre screen box with full catwalk access is the largest and most accessible in its class. Maximum utilisation of the large 3 decks provides ultra-efficient capacities even for small aggregate sizes. A combination of quick wedge tensioning, convenient access holes and hydraulic tensioning on the bottom deck ensures mesh setup times and change-out times are kept to an absolute minimum. The 4th oversized plus conveyor provides hydraulic tilt and slew capability to accurately discharge materials for circulating to crushers or for stockpiling. The stream box can be hydraulically adjusted to an angle of between 18 and 30 degrees depending upon your application requirements.